Good morning, friends. Welcome to Monk Coaching Classes. Today we are going to deal with a tragedy held last night, that is Vizag gas tragedy. At least 11 people died and over 300 were hospitalized following a major gas leak at a private chemical plant in Visakhapatnam in the state of Andhra Pradesh in India. The accident took place in the early May 7, Thursday. As per reports, the deceased include a minor and two senior citizens. A large number of children are among those hospitalized. The accident took place due to a styrene vapor leak at a plant run by LG Polymers India Private Limited, a subsidiary of the South Korean LG Group. The plant is located in Gopalpatnam on the outskirts of Visakhapatnam, that is Vizag, the largest city of Andhra Pradesh. Some 20 odd workers were present at the plant at the time of incident. They were preparing for reopen the facility after the 40 days lockdown imposed due to COVID. The leak impacted villages in about 5 km radius around the plant. According to the eyewitness report, the accident took place something about 2:30 a.m. when most people were asleep. All of a sudden, some people around the surrounding areas woke up complaining of breathlessness, terrible itching, and burning sensation in their eyes due to this gas released. And people reportedly ran out of their houses and many began collapsing on their estates. Cattle and livestock were also affected. Panic broke out with thousands rushing to hospitals complaining of breathlessness, difficulties, and there are around 5 hamlets in the vicinity of plant. Media reported that described heart-wrenching scenes around the accident site, akin to the infamous 1984 Bhopal gas tragedy with people lying unconscious on the streets and dead cattle on by the roadside. This LG polymer makes polystyrene and expanded polystyrene, a versatile plastic which is used to make a wide variety of products such as toys and appliances. This plant in Gopalpatnam has been operationally since 1961 and originally as Hindustan Polymers. An ex gratia payment for the families of victims was announced by the state government along with a probe. However, trade unions and opposition political parties demanded stronger action. The Center of Indian Trade Union demanded strict action against the management of the plant, accusing them of criminal negligence and irresponsibility. It is also said the government has failed to take the necessary measures despite the similar taking place in other units in the past. The Communist Party of India called for a judicial inquiry to be conducted in a time-bound manner and for the guilty to be punished. Speaking to NewsClick, former bureaucrat and activist E.S. Sharma also said that similar incidents have happened in the past, but local government merely ignored the complaints and did nothing to prevent such incidents. He said that such incidents are a result of government policies such as ease of doing business, as per which the Environment Ministry has demonstrated. Let's discuss some of the previous incidents, same like the Vizag gas tragedy. In the school in Delhi in May 2017, more than 300 students of Rani Jhansi Sarvodaya Kanya Vidyalaya in Tughlaqabad, Delhi were hospitalized after a gas leak near the school. The leak happened in a depot located near the school in Railway Colony, Tughlaqabad. The authorities claimed that this was a chemical leakage at the custom area of Tughlaqabad depot. The next incident is of steel plant in Chhattisgarh. In October 2018, 9 people died and 14 were injured in a blast at the Bhilai steel plant of SAIL in Chhattisgarh. The explosion took place in a gas pipeline which was connected to the coke oven section of the plant. Authorities revealed that there had been an uneven pressure in the gas pipeline for the past few days. The explosion occurred 40 feet above the ground, killing 9 workers on the spot. The next incident is of Kanpur cold storage. In March 2017, 4 people were killed and 15 were injured in Shivrajpur, Kanpur after an ammonia gas leak caused a powerful blast in cold storage unit. The blast resulted in a building collapse and more than 25 people were trapped. The facility was used to restore potatoes. The next incident is of GAIL pipelines in Andhra. In June 2014, 15 people were killed and 18 were injured while a fire broke out in Andhra Pradesh, Godavari district after gas leaked from a pipeline owned by GAIL. The fire spread over a 1 kilometer radius and people rushed out of their houses that they were. The next incident that is well known by all of us is Bhopal gas tragedy. The Bhopal gas tragedy is called the worst industrial accident in history. In December 1918, over 45 tons of toxic methyl isocyanate gas leaked from an insecticide plant that was owned by American firm Union Carbide Corporation, killing between 15,000 and 20,000 people in the city. People are hospitalized and government is trying to take selective measures in order to help these villagers who have been occupied in the gas tragedy. Thank you.